everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday! I am back. Check it out. I have got one of the hottest holiday products out there. It's the Dove Holiday Treats Collection. These are really hard to find. So I talked about them a couple weeks ago when I got them. I have since used them, and I gotta say, I like them. I have a favorite. We're gonna talk about which one I like better. There's Peppermint Bark, and there's Sugar Cookie Sprinkle. These come in a hand wash, a scrub, and then this is the body wash. So I got mine. I think I got them online at Walmart. I know I ordered these. I went into my local Walmart, couldn't find them. A lot of Walmarts have like a kiosk. I went to my local mayor's. There was the kiosk. It was completely empty. Like not one product was on the kiosk. And I'm like, that was like a week ago. I'm like, it wasn't even near Christmas and everything is gone. So if you want these, I think you're probably going to have to order them online. It might be regional where you might go into your Walmart and find these really easily. So the first one is Peppermint Bark. Check it out. I don't know if you have the scent notes on here. So it does. Fresh peppermint candy blended with rich, creamy chocolate in a luxurious lather. So here's what the formula looks like. It smells like peppermint bark when you actually smell it in the bottle. And you can see it's kind of like, it's a little bit drippy. And then it's got a little bit of like a creamy, gellulous formula there. What's weird though is when you add water to the peppermint bark, you get a little bit of that like lactic acid, sour note. It's not extreme, but it's there. So a lot of people might find the peppermint bark just a little bit off-putting. I did like the lather action. It's got like nice bubbles. It feels creamy. It makes your skin feel really good. What does it say on here about the skin? 24-hour renewing moisture, regenerates skin, plant-based moisturizers. I think it's a good formula. I've always liked Dove. But like I said, it smells like peppermint bark, like right now in my hand. You add water, however, and you just get a little bit of that like odd scent note. Okay, then we have the Sugar Cookie Sprinkle. This one is freshly baked sugar cookies enveloping you in the shower. Because who doesn't want sugar cookies enveloping you in the shower? It just sounds so funny. Now, look at this one. This one is pink. Check it out. It's a nice, like, interesting. It's funny. It's kind of an odd. It's almost like it's kind of like a mauve. So this is what they look like on my hand. The sugar cookie I actually like better. Oops, right on my nose. In the shower. What's funny about the sugar cookie is it doesn't smell quite as sugar cookie, just smelling it in the bottle. But then once I got in the shower, I kind of liked it a little bit more. I don't know. It was weird. So the interesting part of both of these is that, yeah, peppermint bark, now that I'm doing a side-by-side, is so much stronger than the sugar cookie. But I kind of like the sugar cookie in the shower. What's interesting about both of them is they're not quite the scent that it says like on the packaging to me. Like it's not like full on like, oh, this is peppermint bark. In the shower, like I said, you get that sour milk thing going on. The Sugar Cookie Sprinkle smells good, but you're kind of like, is it really sugar cookie? So I do feel like there's a little bit of a disconnect between the actual scent notes and the product. That being said, it's a nice formula, and I enjoyed it. I actually can, it's like, oh, this is kind of nice, like peppermint bark sugar cookie. You can mix them together. Peppermint bark sugar cookie. I actually think it would have been interesting if they did, I don't know, more of like a lemon bar. I think lemon bar would have been like a nice addition. I know they did these last year. I didn't like them as much last year. I know I got the bar soap last year. I think it was peppermint bark. I'm trying to remember if I have that in my stash anywhere. Peppermint bark soap, and I got the scrub. I don't think I ever got the body wash. It was always sold out. That's what I'm remembering. I think I like the body wash better than like the bar soap or the scrub. I felt like the scrub smelled really weird, but I like the shower gel. It's not bad. Actually, it's a body wash. It's a body wash, but it's gellulish. It looks like a gel. But it's soft and creamy. So anyway, there you have it. Let me know what you think. Another item that I actually picked up in the meantime is the Native Sugar Cookie deodorant. I haven't even smelled it yet. Honestly, I just got it like today, and I wanted to review this. I needed a new deodorant. Oh, see, now this smells like sugar cookie, you guys. It's interesting to do the comparison. Maybe I'm giving it on my lip. You know what it is? I think maybe what it is the sprinkle. Like it's sugar cookies with sprinkles on them, and that's probably what the pink is. They're probably like giving you a little bit of I don't know, pink sugar in your sugar cookie. But this, now that I'm doing like a side by side, I feel like the native, this smells like an actual sugar cookie. So anyway, there you have it. Let me know if you found these, if you're using them, and what you think. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I gotta go wash my hands. Bye-bye.